Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like. I redid my showroom! So it was it was a little too congested before, so now we've got, I don't know, what is this, like 50% of the showroom with bicycles. Bicycles have very much taken off, and that way they're all kind of spread out a little bit so you can see them more, and we can have some more accessories there. This is our lineup of mobility scooters. We've got 3 more models coming here because mobility scooters are a big thing. There's not really anything out there, so we're going to be promoting that a little bit more. We've always sold mobility scooters. You know, we've got our few scooter styles, and then our motorcycles behind. But again, we've got 5 containers, 5 crates of inventory in the back. So that's what's really awesome. Everybody comments is that you have inventory. Yes, we have inventory, so that when you come in, we either have it in the container for you, or we can give it to you right at the very moment. And that's it. Back here's Darren and Mike's service area. Customers are welcome to come back here and take a look. And yeah, so, you know, I love my store. It's so pretty. And it's fun. Because buying an e-bike should be fun. Not stressful, straightforward pricing, and happy. And that's what you get here.